Hi Daniel, my name is Brooke with Snowdrop Digital Marketing. In this video, I'm going to show you three tips and tricks on how you can improve your online presence. I'm sure you're thinking, why is this person giving me this information? So a lot of times, like, business owners are too busy running the day-to-day in their company, and they don't have the time to focus on these kinds of things. And also, whenever you're ready to focus on these things, you're not sure where to start or who to trust or who actually knows what they're doing and can truly bring the results that you're looking for. So, we're going to talk about content, citations, and backlinks. Whenever people need any services nowadays, 9 times out of 10, they're going to start Googling it. So I typed in roofing for Wichita, Kansas, and came across your Google ad, um, which is great, but a lot of people have ad blockers, so it's not reaching your full potential when doing that. So first, there's the Google ads, then there's the GMB and the organic listings down here. So the first thing we're going to talk about is content, and content is everything you see on the page. That's the words, the images, what the image is saved as. Even the space behind the image is considered content. So what Google does is they have web crawling bots and 24/7. They search every single website and they gather information, and then they use that information to determine where to rank you on the organic listings. Now, you have a website, and your website should not just be a digital business card. The role of your website should be your main revenue of generating customers. And these are not just leads like you're going to Angie's List and having to pay for the leads and then competing with other roofing companies in your area. And it's not first come, first serve. You are generating your own leads. Um, so with content, Google prefers that you have at least 1,500 words on your page, and they want the keywords sprinkled out through there so that it flows and makes more sense. So your website looks really good, but it's lacking content. So I have a tool called SEO Quake. This is a free tool, and it shows me you have only 586 words, so that is not going to sustain Google's preferences. I have another web crawling tool that tells us how many people are getting to your website each month. And you have 5 people, you have 55 keywords, which is good, but you don't have enough content. Um, so you already, it looks like you may have someone doing your marketing and they're doing the backlinks, which is good, but you don't want, they're not getting high quality backlinks. You want something that has high authority and something that is relevant to the roofing services that you provide. You don't just want any backlink that you can get. You want the best backlinks. That way you can focus on the good ones and get what you need for your company and get the traffic in there. So I would start with adding more content and getting better quality backlinks. I'm also going to compare your top two competitors in the Wichita area. But next, we're going to go over citations. A citation is a direct reference for your company's name, phone number, and address. With citations, you do want as many as you can get, and you don't want to stop at how many Road and Roofing has. You want to beat them by at least 50 or even 100 citations, and then maintain that because Road and Roofing, you're about to see what they're doing and they definitely have a marketer because they're doing pretty darn good. Um, so here is Road and Roofing's website. They have a lot of information. They have over 3,000 keywords and they're getting over 1,000 people on their website each month. 10% of those people visiting their website are actual leads, high quality leads that are getting their business every single month. They have a high power ranking, high authority ranking, so they are getting high quality leads. See, they don't have that many backlinks, but those backlinks are high quality, so they're doing all of the work. All right, then we have Eaton Roofing. They have a good amount of information as well. And that is perfect. You want the power rating and the trust rating to be as close to each other as possible. only have 543 keywords, but they're getting 261 people each month to their website. Um, so no, that's not as much as rodent roofing, but it is a good place to start. They're also doing paid search too, and they don't have as many backlinks as well, but they are getting the best backlinks that they can. So if you do these three things, you will optimize your website for Google, you will enhance your platform, and in doing that, you will convert more customers and you will get more traffic to your website each month. If you decide that you like what I had to say, please reach out and we could talk more about how we can reach your goals in a timely manner and get there together and see how great we can do with these three things. Again, my name is Brooke, and thank you very much. Have a great day.